CIFR is on the move, up 22.95%. This is Monday, the 3rd of November, 2025. Intraday high, $23.89. Yes, the stock is equally trending as well amid bullish sentiment fueled by a recent $5.5 billion AWS deal, with traders actively discussing the company's shift towards AI infrastructure and potential for further expansion. They are equally highlighting the company's recently disclosed earnings outcomes, 7% to $1.7 billion dollars for Q3 of this year, and the revenue forecast as well, viewing the company as a key player in the growing AI data center landscape, alongside peers like IREN that also disclosed contract with Microsoft as well just today. All of this happened today. As a matter of fact, this CIFR began to trend before all of this, before it disclosed its own earnings outcomes. It began to trend when IREN started to trend. So all in all, some investors are also anticipating a possible deal with Black Pearl. So okay, so let's see what we have. The extrapolation is saying that the strength is going to remain in place up till Tuesday. Tuesday, that's tomorrow, the 4th of November. And then ultimately, it is just saying that it's going to contract this expansion and that it may last up till Wednesday, the 12th of November. Okay. It's a cycling, yeah, it's got a distributive cycle, a distributive cyclical, it's a distributive cyclical contraction. That is what's been extrapolated. Projections are saying 25.18, 27.80, 29.42, intraday high 23.89 today. So that's equally an upper projection. All of its short and intermediate moving, all of its moving averages on this 4 hour chart are trending. Yeah, positions opened all the way back to 800 hours ago are in profit right now. However, the first derivative is still bearish because obviously the stock is recovering from a contraction. Yeah, it was contracting not so steeply. It was contracting the expansion that I would say, okay, well, that goes that's ended on the 28th of October. So that's why some of these derivatives are still negative, especially this first derivative. Underlying trend on CIFR is bullish, I believe. Yes, yes, bullish. Yes, yes. Yeah, it is bullish. Projections are currently saying on this daily chart. Um, let's see, 26.03, 30.23, and 32.82. Yeah. Okay, let's see how the market is currently trading. Okay, we have, yeah, it's a high beta stock. Look at that, 3.1149. 17 million shares have crossed the tape so far. It's also optionable as well. Um, yeah, let's have a look and see what's going on with how aggressive this market is. Yeah, it's quite liquid, quite well, aggression surely is at play. That's the most prominent of all the things going on right now. Aggression is buying pressure is very strong. Yeah, buying pressure is strong. Yeah, some selling is going on, but I think aggression is high. Maybe liquidity. Well, for now, liquidity has. There's no demonstration that liquidity is. Okay, well, we see it. We can see it here. So it flashes in from time to time, but mostly this is an aggressive market for. Yeah, this is mostly an aggressive market, but people are discovering prices as well. Yeah. Okay, that's what's going on. Have a look and see what you make of CIFR, and thank you very much for watching this video.